welcome back to Tab Tool 1, and in this video you will be able to create a animated drawer like this. And this is the main screen. If you tap in this drawer, the drawer will be so like this, and if you tap back to the main screen, it will navigate to the main screen. So let's get started. First we will go to the PubSpec file and we will add a dependency called Flutter zoom drawer. So you can add using you can add from the pub.data, or you can add using by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T and add dependency and type Flutter zoom drawer. So if you click here, it will be added in your PubSpec in your file. So after this, in the main method I have passed a home page this, and if you go to here, and I have just pass a stateful widget, and after this we will create a control for a zoom controller, which is final zoom controller, and it will be the drawer controller and the zoom controller. So after this I will return a zoom drawer. The controller will be drawer controller, style will be drawer style.default, and menu to show the menu screen, and menu screen where we will pass controller. We will create this menu screen after, and after this I pass a main screen, which is a main screen, and the controller is drawer controller. So we will create this menu screen and main screen after. So after this I have passed a border radius, and shadow will be true, angle will be 0.0, and Android close on back tap will be true. So it will help to close the drawer after tapping back to the main screen. After this we will pass a slide width. I will pass a slide width with this media query dot of context and size dot width into 0.6 to make it responsive, and open curve will be curve dot bouncing, and the closer curve will be curve dot bouncing also, and the main screen tap close will be true to close the main screen after tapping back to the screen, and the menu background will be color.ember. Sorry for this. And yeah, and the drawer style will be style.tree. So after this we'll just save it and go to the main screen, and here we'll create our UI. So first of all, let's create a controller, and inside the bar I have passed a main screen. So this is the main screen, this text, and in the screen also, in the middle of the screen we will pass in the bar, in the leading parameter we will pass the icon button, this icon button, this drawer controller, and to navigate to the drawer we will just pass on pressed and the controller.google, and it will call this drawer and show the drawer menu. And in the body center I have passed the text, which is mini screen content. And again let's save this, and let's go to the menu screen. Here we will again create a controller, which is zoom drawer controller, which is the controller, and in the background color it will be blue. In the body we will pass a padding to give a padding from the screen, and the padding will be insect.all 16. In the column we will pass a menu, just align everything from the start, and in the children we will pass a list of widget by giving size box height of 40. In the center we will pass child a circle avatar to show the image of the user, and the radius will be 100. In the background image I have just passed, sorry for this, in the background image I have just passed network image, and I have used the image from the network just, and here in the after that I have passed a size box which height is 20, and the drawer item, and this drawer item is the widget that will creating after. So here there is the context one, and the icon one, and the text. So you can see here, one is context, one is icon, and one is text, and the on tap property. So let's pass few drawer widget, and we will create this drawer widget here. So just create a drawer widget, and in the build context, one is context and the other is icon, string or title, and the on tap. So we'll return a padding. In the padding, we will give a symmetric padding of a 10, vertical 10, and inkwell will pass the on tap, and the child, inside the child will pass a row, and in the children we will pass a list of widget again, and the icon we will pass a icon, which is one is icon that we will pass here upper, and another we will give a color which is white, and the size is 30. Again we will pass a text which is title, and the style, and we will give a style, text style, color white, and the size is 18. So let's save this, and here in this drawer widget that we have created, we have passed context, icon, title, on tab, right? So here while calling the drawer item, we have passed the context and the icon, which is icon dot home, one is text, which is home, and another is on tab, that is controller dot close, to close the drawer. So after saving this, you can see the UI, and after tapping here, you can see it will show the drawer widget. Okay, and here is the home. If we click in the home, it will navigate to the home, and if we click on this screen again, so it will navigate to the main screen. So let's go to the home page and explain. I will explain this. So this angle, you can see here, this angle is showing the angle of this screen here. So if we just change to the let's give the 4, if you save this and came to here, and you can see it is slightly tilt here. Okay, and if you give this -4 and save this, you can see it will tilt like this. So let's give the value of -10 and save this, and if we click here, you can see it will tilt like this. And if you can change this style also, which let's give it a default style, and save this. You can see it will tilt a little bit. So this angle help to tilt the screen like this. If we let's give the 5 and save this. Yeah, it is look, I think 3 will be okay. Yeah, it is nice. So this much for this video. Take care and have a nice day.